So let's begin. Section 1. Logical reasoning. First one, which of the following picture cubes this? Which of the following picture cubes does the adjoining shape make? It's easy, it's C-bet. Moving on to the next question. Which of the following statements is false? A rectangle is a quadrilateral. A square is a rectangle. A sphere is a circle. None of this. It's a bit. A sphere is a circle. Very easy, isn't it? When Joe got ready for school, he looked at the clock. He also saw the clock's reflection in the mirror. Which picture shows the clock looked at the mirror? Okay, it's this. So he saw this clock and he saw one of these in the mirror. It's easy, it's B-bet. He saw this in the mirror. Okay, Priya is presently at log ride right here. She walked 5 units south and then 5 units west. Which ride did she walk to? She walked to the giant coaster, which is right here. So she was at the log ride, right? So first he said 5 units to the south. She walked to the south, 5 blocks, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. So you can just count it. Then 5 units to the west. So she walked this side and she reached the giant coaster. Fifth one. Tina and Rohit collect baseball cards. Each has the same number of cards. If Raju gives Tina and Rohit 5 more baseball cards each, who will have the greater number of baseball cards, Tina or Rohit? Both Tina and Rohit will have the same number of baseball cards because it itself is written in the question. If Raju gives Tina and Rohit 5 baseball cards each, so both have 5. And he said Tina and Rohit collect baseball cards. Each has the same number of cards, so it's simple. C-bet. Which pair of numbers best completes the equation? Dash into 100 equals dash 65 and this thing. It's B-bet.
Wait.
Look at the given series. 7, 10, 8, 11, 9, 12, ... What number should come next? 10 must come next. Simple. Very simple. Tanya is older than Samrit. Mohit is older than Tanya. Samrit is older than Mohit. If the first 2 statements are true, the third statement is false. Simple. Next one. A man walks 5 kilometers towards the south and then turns to the right. After walking 3 kilometers, he turns to the left and walks 5 kilometers. In which direction is he from the starting point? Southwest. Simple. So here it is. I just drew a graph. So the man is here, north, east, west, and southwest, and here's the south. So the man walks 5 kilometers, then turns right 3, and then takes left and walks 5 kilometers. So it's southwest. We just need to mark the directions. 2 positions of dice are shown below. How many points will appear opposite to the face containing 5 points. We just need to roll the dice and see it. It's 4. Great. To trade out. Next one. In the given figure, triangle represents girls. Okay, this represents girls. Rectangle represents players. So this is the rectangle, it represents players. This is the triangle. And circle represents coach. Which part of the diagram represents girls who are players but not coach? Q. It's simple because these are just girls and this is player, and so this Q comes in this player circle, rectangle. So it's Q and it's B-bit. Arrange the words given below in a meaningful sentence. So there's leaf, fruit, stem, root, flower. So we need to arrange them in a meaningful sequence. Oh, I read it wrong. It's a sequence. So it's B-bit 4, 3, 1, 5, 2. 4 is root, then is stem, then is leaf, then is flower, then is fruit. It's like stepwise how the plant grows, Which number replaces the question mark? So where's the question mark? Oh, there it is. So we need to understand these two triangles and then we can easily do this one. But I need, and so I have word right diagram to show you. So in the first one it is like 4, 12, 7, 9. So 7 plus 9, 16. 16 minus 4, 12. Like that we got in here 12. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 minus 1, 4. Like that we got 4. And here 6 plus 5, 11. 11 minus 2, and the 11 minus 2 will come in the middle. And that 11 minus 2 is 9. And the answer is A-bit. 14th one, which symbol replaces the question mark? And the answer is another dice. Number will replace the question mark. First we'll find the question mark. Okay. Oh, where's the question mark? So it's 6. It's what rule is used for the in-out machine? In and then out. So it's at 10. Simple, because 1, 11, 5, 15, 20, 30, 15, 25. We just go on adding 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. All 10s. Okay, 17.1 is a graph. Look at Mohit's timetable. Oh, it's a timetable, not a graph. Drops off kids at school. Oh, these are the time, 8 a.m., 9 a.m., blah, 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 till 8 p.m. So, it's near 9 a.m., the first line, and it says, drops off kids at school. Then, near till 11 a.m., volunteers at library. And then, in between 12 and 1 p.m., eats lunch. Then, at exact 2 p.m., shops for groceries. Then in between 6 and 7, he coaches basketball practice. So the question is, which of the following events happens after Mohit eats lunch? Mohit coaches basketball practice. He actually shops for groceries. But groceries is not there in the options. That's why we have taken coach's basketball practice. If groceries is there, we need to take shops for groceries. Select the figure from 4 options, which when placed in the blank space of figure X would complete the pattern. So all the 3 boxes have the same pattern. So we need to choose the same pattern 1. And B-bit is the same pattern 1. Okay, Gertie puts the tiles shown below into an empty bag and mixes them up. What fraction of letters are vowels? Okay, first we need to count how many letters. There are 9. Then we need to count the vowels. So there are 4 vowels as you can see, and so it's B-bit 4 by 9. 28.1. The picture shows all the candy that will be placed in the machine. Each time the handle on the machine is pulled, 1 candy comes out. Alicia will pull the candy on the machine, the handle on the machine. Which color of candy is least likely to come out? Green? Of course it will be green. Section 2, Mathematical Reasoning.
21st. Which of the following represents the same values? Answer is C-bit. Which of the following is a prime number? The answer is D-bit 53. What number should go in the blank to make the given number sentence true? The answer is B-bit 5. 26th. If 3 flowers stands for 3 and a triangle 2 flowers stands for 7, 2 stars stands for 20, a square stands for 100, then 4 squares plus 3 stars plus 3 triangles plus 4 flowers stands for 449. The answer is C-bit. 27th. What fraction of the given figure is unshaded? It is 4 by 10 D-bit. 28th. The class is making cards to give to their friends. They must use congruent, same size and shape triangles. Look at Jamal's triangle. Jamal needs another triangle that is congruent to put on his card. Which triangle should he choose? It is B-bit. 29th. A number has 24 ones, 3 hundreds and 15 tens. What is the number? B-bit 474. So here is the 29th one. Unit tens 100. So this is how we will get 474. 30th. So this is the fraction problem given here, and we have to find what will be the value which will be equal to this. So here we have 12s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 by 12 are 7 in number if you count, and the other one in the box is 1 by 2. So this is how we will write it and do. 7 by 12 minus 1 by 2. So that will be equal to, when we solve it, we will get 1 by 12 as the answer. So the answer is A-bit 1 by 12. 31st. Tammy has 5 boxes of markers. There are 8 markers in each box. Which of the options shows the way to find the total number of markers that Tammy has? The answer is D-bit. 32nd. If triangle, if this figures equals to, if the squares, if we term them as, no, if the diamonds equals to 1240, then 1000 minus diamond equals to square, and square minus diamond equals to what? So this is how we are going to solve it. All the diamonds equals to 1240 and 1000 minus diamond equals to square. So 4 diamonds equals to this value 1240. So one diamond equals to, when we solve it, we'll get 310. And so 1000 minus diamond equals to square, that is 1000 minus 310 equals to square, and square equals to 690. So the final equation given to us was square minus diamond equals to what? So that is 690 minus 310, that is 380 is the answer. So the 32nd one answer is C bit 380. 33. Anjali reads the given page is each month. In which month did Anjali read most pages? The answer is C bit, March. 34th. Which sign goes in the box? B bit, greater. 35th. Look at the problem given here. If triangle equals to 7, then what is square? And here square equals to triangle plus 4, one more equation we have. So when we solve it, we'll get C bit as the answer, that is 11. 36th one. QRST is a rectangle, UVWX is a square, find UT. UT is 5 centimeters, A bit. Let's see how to solve this. 36th. This is the figure given to us, and UT equals to total length minus VT. So 7 centimeters minus 2 centimeters equals to 5 centimeters. Thirty-seventh. Which is true? D bit, 9 plus 18 equal to 18 plus 9. 38. Which of the following will be a true statement if an equal sign is placed in the box? It is B bit, 1 hour 60 minutes. 39th. The point on this number line represents a pattern. Which of the following number lines continue this pattern of points in the same way? It is A bit. 40th. Tanya bought these items at a sale. She went to the sale with a 500 note. How much money is left with her now? It is D bit, 160. Let's see how to solve it. It is 500 minus 175 plus 165. First we need to add 175 plus 165. So 500 minus 340 will give us 160. So 160 is the answer. Let's move on to the third section, everyday mathematics.
Sania used the things listed below to make a pizza. 1/4 cup pepper jack, 1/4 cup tomatoes, 3/4 cup onions. What was the total amount of items Sania used to make the pizza? So guys, my mom has this solution so that I can just read it out for you because I'm still learning this in class. The answer is B bit over here. Amisha and her friends decided to have a water fight on a hot summer day. They filled a bunch of water balloons and started the fight at 3:45 p.m. The water balloons lasted for 40 minutes. When all the water balloons were gone, they sprayed water from the hoses for 45 minutes more until Amisha's dad showed up with ice cream. What time was it when the water fight ended? So it says that 3:45 p.m. they started it. So at 3:45 p.m. they started it. First we need to add 40 minutes and 45 minutes equals 85 minutes. 1 hour equals 60 minutes. And 85 minutes is more than 60 minutes. So it becomes from 3:45 p.m. to 4:45 p.m. first. Then 85 minutes minus 60 minutes, 25 minutes remaining. From 5 p.m. more 25 minutes equals 5:10 p.m. And so the answer will be 5:10 p.m. Next one. He works 9 hours a day. If he earns ₹5 an hour and works for 2 weeks every day in the week, how much does that earn? 9 into 5, 45 rupees. 1 day, 45 rupees. 14 days, 14 into 45. That equals 630. And that is 630 rupees. Danny filled a measuring cup with 2/3 cup of vegetable oil. Then he poured 1/3 cup of the oil from the measuring cup into a frying pan. How much oil is left in the measuring cup? 1/3. So 2/3 minus 1/3 equals 1/3. Because 2 minus 1 we get 1, and this will never change, so it will be 3. Which of the following is equivalent to 180 minutes? 3 hours, you just need to divide that by 60, you'll get it. Valley Transport has been hired to deliver new seats to the sports stadium. The company will use 41 trucks to move the seats. If each truck holds 1,025 seats, how many seats will be delivered to the stadium? It's simple. It's just 41 into 1,025, and if we multiply them, it becomes 42,025. Like it's shown. So it's like, story problem, but this is like the answer. Right here we have this sum, the multiplication sum, and we have that answer. A year has 365.5 days. One day has 24 hours. How many hours are there in 365.5 days? So here is the solution for this question. So we have written 1 year, 365.5 days, 1 day 24 hours, 365 days, how many hours? So 365, whatever is left out, I did the multiplication. And we got the answer 8,772 hours. It's the bit over here. Uday has 56 trading cards. He gives some of the cards to Jerry. Then Uday had 23 trading cards left. What was the total number of trading cards Uday gave to Jerry? 33. We just need to subtract it. 56 minus 23, we get 33. Tamanna bought 4 rolls of film. Each roll could make 27 pictures. What was the total number of pictures that she could make with the 4 rolls she bought? So we need to multiply the rolls, 4 into 27. And if we multiply them, we get 108. There are 5,778 blue pens and this many black pens in the supply warehouse. how many pens are there in all. So we need to add the number of pens, and then we get the answer. I hope you guys like, share, subscribe, and enjoy this video. Also, if you like this video, put a thumbs up in the comments down below. See you in my next video. Till then, bye-bye.